In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Klaviyo to WordPress. The process is straightforward, but it's important to understand each step to ensure your integration goes smoothly. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log into your Klaviyo account. Once you're in, head over to the account dashboard. Look for the Integrations tab. It's usually positioned clearly within your account settings. Click on it, and you'll find a list of possible integration options. Here, type WordPress into the search bar to narrow down your choices. As soon as you've found WordPress in the list, select it. This action will guide you through a short series of prompts where you need to provide some basic information. Don't worry, the fields are pretty self-explanatory and Klaviyo does a great job of instructing you on what's necessary. Next, you need to navigate over to your WordPress admin page. Make sure you're logged in, and once you are, locate the Plugins section in your WordPress dashboard. This is where you'll add necessary functionality to your site. Click Add New to start the process of installing the Klaviyo plugin. In the search bar, type Klaviyo and press Enter. Look for the plugin developed by Klaviyo itself. It should appear right among the top results. Click Install Now to initiate the installation. Once installed, be sure to activate the plugin. Activation is crucial as it ensures your newly installed plugin will function properly with your WordPress site. With the Klaviyo plugin installed and activated, head back to your Klaviyo account. Here, you'll be asked to verify your domain. This is a necessary security measure to safeguard both your Klaviyo account and your WordPress site. You should find an option called Domains under the Settings or Account tab. Follow the steps prompted to verify your domain. It usually involves adding a specific record to your domain host settings, ensuring that everything is securely linked. Let's return to WordPress, where it's time to link your site with Klaviyo fully. Go back to your WordPress admin area and locate the Klaviyo option in your Plugins menu. Click on it, and you should see a field asking for your Klaviyo API key. Head back to Klaviyo and locate your account's API keys. These are found under your account settings. Copy the public API key and return to WordPress to paste it into the required field. Finally, with everything in place, check that your setup is successful. The best way to do this is by sending a sample form submission from your WordPress site and checking if it appears in your Klaviyo dashboard. If everything is connected correctly, you'll see the information update in real time. That's it, you've successfully connected Klaviyo to WordPress. With this integration, you can now enjoy seamless communication and data flow between your platform and Klaviyo. Thanks for watching, and happy integrating!